Hello, I am Dr. Sophia, and welcome to our channel, where we share natural and effective health tips for seniors that help you stay strong, sharp, and independent as you age. My mission is simple: give you practical, evidence-based advice that you can start using today to protect your health without relying on expensive treatments or complicated routines. Today, I want to share with you a morning drink that I have personally been having for over 35 years. This drink has played a major role in helping me maintain clear vision, steady blood pressure, and a sharp, focused mind well into my senior years. It is not a supplement, it is not a pill, and it is certainly not one of those overpriced packaged superfood products you see in ads. Instead, it is made from 4 simple, natural ingredients that most people already have sitting in their kitchens. Each ingredient supports your health in a different but complementary way, and when combined, they create a powerful daily habit that can protect your eyes, your brain, and your circulation. The 3 systems that keep you independent and vibrant as you age. Let us get directly into the first ingredient: baking soda. Yes, I am talking about the same baking soda you may keep in your refrigerator or pantry. However, when it is used properly and in small amounts, it can do far more than freshen a fridge or help baked goods rise. One of the biggest reasons seniors often experience blurry vision, mental fog, and unstable blood pressure is due to a condition called chronic low-grade inflammation. Unlike a swollen knee or a visible rash, this type of inflammation works quietly and invisibly inside your body. It slowly narrows the tiny blood vessels in your eyes and brain, restricting the flow of oxygen and essential nutrients to those areas. A study conducted in 2018 at the Medical College of Georgia found that older adults who drank a small solution of baking soda each day saw a significant reduction in 2 major inflammation markers: interleukin-6 and tumor necrosis factor alpha. These markers are directly linked to damage in blood vessels and tissues. Lowering them can help protect your vision, improve your circulation, and reduce strain on your brain. Baking soda also helps to balance your body's pH levels, creating an environment where your cells work more efficiently. This means better nutrient absorption, stronger immunity, and improved overall energy throughout the day. If you decide to use baking soda, make sure you choose aluminum-free food-grade quality. Brands such as Bob's Red Mill or Arm and Hammer's Pure Baking Soda are excellent options. Never use the box that has been sitting in your refrigerator for months, because baking soda easily absorbs odors and impurities from the air, which could make it less effective and unpleasant to taste. Now let us move on to the second ingredient: fresh lemon juice. Lemons are one of nature's richest sources of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects your eyes from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress happens when unstable molecules called free radicals damage healthy cells, especially in delicate tissues like the retina of your eyes. Over time, this can lead to reduced clarity in your vision, trouble seeing in dim light, and an increased risk of cataracts. Vitamin C from lemon juice neutralizes these harmful free radicals. According to research from the National Institutes of Health, a diet rich in vitamin C can reduce the risk of developing cataracts by up to 50%. It also helps maintain the health of your cornea and lens, 2 key parts of the eye that naturally weaken with age. In addition, vitamin C protects against damage from ultraviolet light, strengthens the blood vessels in your eyes, and supports your immune system. Always use fresh lemons instead of bottled lemon juice, which often contains preservatives and has lost much of its vitamin content. Organic lemons are even better because they tend to have higher nutrient levels and no pesticide residues. The third ingredient is ginger. Poor circulation is one of the most overlooked causes of both vision problems and reduced brain function. Your eyes and brain require a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients in order to function properly, and ginger helps by naturally widening blood vessels and improving blood flow. It also works as an anti-inflammatory, reducing swelling and irritation in the eyes and throughout the body. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that ginger extract was able to reduce inflammation in the eyes by as much as 25%. Ginger can also help relieve symptoms of dry eyes, a common complaint among seniors, and it supports healthy digestion. Better digestion means your body can absorb nutrients more effectively, allowing all the other ingredients in this drink to work at their full potential. For the best results, use fresh ginger. Look for firm roots with smooth skin and a strong aroma. If fresh ginger is not available, you can use organic ginger powder, but the fresh form contains more active compounds. The fourth and final ingredient is honey, but not the heavily processed honey you often find in plastic bottles at the supermarket. You need raw, unprocessed honey that is rich in enzymes, antioxidants, and natural compounds. Raw honey contains flavonoids and phenolic acids, which protect your eyes from oxidative damage and help reduce inflammation. It also has natural antibacterial properties and can support hydration for your eyes from the inside out. Most commercial honey has been heated and filtered, which destroys many of its beneficial properties. To get the full benefits, choose raw honey from a trusted source. Manuka honey is an excellent choice because it contains especially high levels of antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds, but other organic raw honeys can also be highly effective. Here is how to prepare the drink. Start with 8 to 10 ounces of filtered water. Warm to a comfortable drinking temperature, not boiling, as high heat can damage some of the beneficial compounds in honey and lemon. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda until it is fully dissolved. Next, squeeze in the juice from half a fresh lemon. You may notice a little fizz when the lemon juice meets the baking soda. This is perfectly normal. Then add about half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger or a small pinch of high-quality ginger powder. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of raw honey until it blends completely. Sip this drink slowly, ideally 15 to 30 minutes before breakfast. This timing allows your body to absorb and use the nutrients before food enters your system. If you make it part of your daily ritual, perhaps while sitting by a sunny window or enjoying some quiet time, you will also get the mental benefit of starting the day in a calm, focused state. Many people report feeling clearer, more energized, and more focused within just a few days of starting this habit. For others, the changes may be more gradual, appearing after a few weeks. Either way, the key is consistency. Drinking this every morning can help protect your vision, sharpen your memory, improve circulation, and strengthen your immune system. Over time, these benefits add up, reducing the risk of falls, improving reaction times, and helping you stay independent for longer. I have been drinking this exact combination for decades, and I have seen the benefits in my own life and in the lives of countless patients. It is simple, affordable, and natural, yet it works in powerful ways to fight the 2 biggest silent threats to senior health: inflammation and oxidative stress. So tomorrow morning, prepare this warm, soothing drink for yourself. Baking soda, lemon, ginger, and raw honey. Take those few minutes for your health each day, and your body will thank you in the years ahead. If you found this information helpful, subscribe to our channel for more senior health tips, and share this video with someone you care about. I am Dr. Sophia, wishing you clear vision, a strong mind, and lasting independence.